Alright, so I got my battery here so I can spin the motor over, and we've got those certain points we looked at that we said, oh yeah, there's the goo, and that's making these brushes jump up and down. Now if you don't clean up your motor before you use it after it's sat for a long time like this, there is a possibility that the brushes will slowly wear that goo off. But if they don't, you'll chop up your brushes. Now here's what one of our brushes looks like. He's in good shape, lots of brush area. Probably the thing wasn't used too much. Alright, so we hear the clicking, and we can feel the brushes hopping up and down a little bit. So we have something that's called a comb stone. And that's a little rock there. We just put that on there and rub that on, and that'll clean up the armature if it hasn't. And usually when you do this, the thing starts to speed up some. Oh yeah. Alright, listen to it now. And no brushes jumping up and down. Feels nice and smooth, and when we look in there, we see our armature is nice and clean.